retrieve any personal belongings from the boxes and follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding Falcon Spirit and enjoy the rest of your day in Busch Gardens.
Bienvenidos a su arnés y cinturón de seguridad se desconectará momentáneamente.
You gotta use the bottom one. Well, that's a skill issue on your part. Whoa.
They don't make it appear like you're getting further away from it, but it's only your perception. Your camera won't pick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, in it to win it in under a minute. Yeah. Still to this day, Falcon Fury, world's scariest drop tower. Yeah. Hey, wait, I changed my mind. 2019, do trade places with me. Not for real, trade places with me. I changed my mind, I take it back. 2019. Yeah.
I'll
take a number 2. Thank you for the first.
Yeah.
What the heck is with this story? All the bees.
I know you got great docs on a few of these things. You took it off. Get big peanut butter! Get big! Let's rock! Yeah! Holy shit!
Let's go.
Yeah!
That was fun.
In this order, I think I passed out, shit my pants, and then had a heart attack. And I passed out for the record the whole time.
There's a little lock there. I didn't notice that.
I saw Jesus.
Unlock momentarily. Please watch your step as you exit. Retrieve any personal belongings from the boxes and follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding Falcon Spirit and enjoy the rest of your day in Busch Gardens.